Welcome back, guys. Once again, I'm sorry I'm a little late getting these updates, but here we go. You should continue to see an update from me every day for the rest of the month. So make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell icon to get notifications when a new video is up. If the bell icon isn't working, you have to unsubscribe and resubscribe, as it was a past issue that we had with the channel accidentally getting marked safe for kids about a year or two ago. Anyway, as the weather is cooling off as we head into fall and winter here in Texas, let's see how things have been affected. This is now the 5-month mark of our 30 product subscriber requested coatings and sealants longevity test. So as usual, we will foam this hood down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course inspect the hydrophobic properties before drying everything off. This hood is rotated either 90 or 180 degrees after each update, so it doesn't stay in the same spot all the time. And of course the last 30 days weather as well as the lifetime weathers on your screen here. So jumping right into it, Simonized diamond plate looks very strong. Tech 585 graphene, not quite as much. Kamikaze ISM coat 2.0 looking good. Black Rhino advanced, starting to get kind of weak. Malco epic ceramic coating, got a little bit of wear on it, not terrible. Naziol ZR53 doing okay. Nanobond got some wear on it as well. Envy Evo Nova, which is the consumer coating, and their pro version, Envy Pro, both of those very strong. I believe those are made in Australia, if I'm not mistaken. Shine Supply Beadlock Pro, looking pretty weak. Not to the point where we would call it failed, but it's pretty close. Blackfire Pro Black, very similar to Adams Graphene, hanging in there. Geon Pure Evo, still doing all right. Geon 1 Evo, and I think that may be our first failure this month. Yeah, let's go ahead and call that one failed. Geon 1 Evo, it has failed. Geon Q2 MOHS Evo, still doing very strong. And FaneLab Ceramic Light, that is their consumer grade product, and it is doing well. Adams Advanced Graphene, got some wear on it but not failed. And Flit Ceramic Spray, getting very close, but we'll give it a pass this month. Art to Shine A-Icon, just a little bit hanging in there. Art to Shine Hybrid Coat, doing all right. Nano BX Graphene, that is their flagship. It looks like it is doing quite well. I'm sorry, Art to Shine Nano Graphene, as opposed to Graphene BX, which is still hanging in there. And Black Rhino Graphics, it's really close to, I don't know, what should we call that one failed? It's really close. But for sure, Geon 1 Evo, got several others well on the way. And a few standouts. Simonized diamond plate, looking good. Kamikaze ISM, those two very strong. Some of the Geon products. Nanobond still doing all right, but it's not the strongest. Some of these others like Envy Evo, very hydrophobic there. Not seeing any difference between the two, and one's a pro-only product and one's a consumer product. Yeah, FaneLab looking good. So yeah, we still have quite a few standouts, which is great to see as we're approaching the 6-month mark here next month. Strong performance by several. Art to Shine as well. So what I'm going to do here is I will, after I dry it, I'll show you from the original setup video, cost versus longevity, the gloss, and some other things here. So yeah, Geon 1 Evo failed for sure, and Black Rhino Graphics, we'll give it a pass, but man, it's really close. So here is the cost per milliliter broken down. You'll have to pause your screen there. Kamikaze is by far the most expensive, as is Envy Evo, and Evo, well, I've said that wrong, Envy Pro. And durability in months versus the actual cost in US dollars. And finally, the change of gloss when we installed it. A lot of the coatings, you'll find they'll lose a little bit of gloss, but it's within the margin of error of the gloss meter. But Art to Shine, Geon Art to Shine, Classy, Nanobond, those are the ones that gained a significant amount of gloss. And here is the video from the first day of the rinse. So I'll sit back and shut up and you can watch that. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon. Stay tuned for tomorrow's update.